Edit transaction. This option is used mostly to manage a room. This screen will give all the options that a front office user will require to manage a room. When you click on Edit Transaction option on any room, you will be guided to the screen where you see the details of the guest staying in the room. The Edit Transaction screen is divided into two parts, one which displays the guest information, stay information and other information like reservation type, business source information, market information, travel agent information and the company to which the charges might be billed to. The top right corner of the screen will display the status of the room selected. Towards the bottom of the screen, you can see the audit trail for the actions performed on this room along with the options to save and cancel the changes made to the screen. The other half screen has 3 tabs which allow accessing different information related to this room and the guest and also allows performing various actions related to the room and the folio generated for this room. General Information tab. This tab displays different information like billing information, sharer information, remarks entered for the room, and charge summary, which shows the total charges, total credits, and the balance on the room. If you scroll down, you can also see the audit trail for the actions performed on this room. You can make changes to the above-mentioned information and save the changes too. You will notice small icons of positive sign on sharer information block, remark block, and inclusion block. This when clicked will allow you to add the information to respective blocks. The billing information block will display and allow you to make changes to the billing information for this room like whom should the folio be billed to, guest or company, type of charge, cash or credit, payment method, and many other things. The sharer information block shows the name of the person sharing the room along with the actions that you can perform like editing the details, take pickup drop-off time, view and print the guest registration card, and add the guest to blacklist. The inclusion block will allow you to enter the details of any extra charge that you want to post to this room with the option to enter the charge, posting rule, and charge rule. You can also select the folio from the drop-down list if there is more than one folio created for this room. The messages, tasks and preferences that you take for a room are displayed below the inclusion block with the number of entries in the bracket for each particulars. Room Charges tab. You can manage the rate offered, rate type offered, packs information and discount from this screen. To change or update any information, simply click on the respective icon in the action column for the date you want to make the changes to. The resulting field will be activated to enter the changes. Select the action by selecting the radio button to apply the changes to selected dates, or if you want to apply the changes to the whole stay. Once selected, click on Apply. Folio Detail tab. This tab shows the folio details of the room as well as gives ample options to perform operations on the folio. The screen has buttons and options which can be divided in 3 different groups to understand the function of this screen. Group 1 helps to post a charge on the folio by selecting the options from a type field. You can take a payment, post an extra charge, make adjustments, post room charges, transfer the charges to another folio, or post the charges to City Ledger account. Select the type, enter the amount, voucher or receipt number, comments if required. Select the folio and click on Add. Group 2 is the folio listing, which shows all the charges on the room which will be printed on the folio. Group 3 is the group of options which will allow you to take further action on the folio as per the requirements. You can perform the actions using the buttons provided such as Split Folio, Create a New Folio, Cut Folio, Bill to, Tax Operation on Extra Charge, and Folio Routing. At the bottom, you are given the chance to upload files which allows you to upload content of the guest such as guest images, passport copy, etc., print invoice, which allows you to view and print invoices in different currencies, and audit trail which allows to check log entries of the users who made changes to the folio.